way either. Guess I'm gonna walk a long way to find some driftwood. But which way should I go? This way? Or that way? Whoa! Where did that come from? Ahoy! Ahoy there! Fun. Very fun. I piled up some driftwood just to help out. Well, better get my place on the beach.
This looks like a good strong vine. I hope I can pull it off this tree.
Just doesn't wanna come down.
Funny. Funny.
I cut the vine just to help out. Well, better get this stuff back to our place on the beach. Holy! Just what I need to make a roof for our beach hut.
But they're up so high.
Maybe if I jump. Where'd that come from? Hey, there's another one.